In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe test account. If you're stepping into the world of e-commerce or just want to explore payment processing, having a Stripe test account is an invaluable tool. Let's dive right in and set up your test account in just a few simple steps. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to stripe.com. Navigating to this website is your gateway to exploring one of the most powerful and user-friendly payment gateways available today. Once you land on their homepage, you'll see two prominent options, Start Now or Sign Up. Click on either, as both will take you on a journey to set up your new account. On the next page, you'll find the option to create your account. This is your sign up form, which will require a few basic details to get you started. Go ahead and fill it out by entering your email address, your full name, a secure password, and your country of residence. Each of these pieces of information helps Stripe tailor its services specifically for you, ensuring a seamless experience as you move forward. With all fields completed, click on Create Account. This action will take you one step closer to your new Stripe journey. You might be prompted to confirm your email address, so be sure to check your inbox and follow any instructions sent by Stripe to verify your information. Now, with your account created, you'll be greeted by the Stripe homepage or dashboard. Welcome to your account, where you can manage all your payment activity. This dashboard will be your control center for managing test transactions, viewing reports, and more. It's time to add those finishing touches to your profile. Head over to the Profile Setup section and complete any remaining details. Whether it's additional contact information or business specifics, this setup ensures your account is fully prepared to utilize Stripe's features. Once you've filled everything out, all that's left to do is click Agree and Submit. This final step confirms the details you've entered, and voila, your Stripe test account setup is complete. You've now entered the test mode of Stripe, a secure environment for you to experiment with different Stripe functionalities without the risk of processing live transactions. Here you can practice many operations such as simulating transactions and testing API integrations. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully created a Stripe test account. With your new account, you are now ready to start exploring the possibilities of payment processing and take the next steps in your journey. Thank you for watching, and happy testing.